So in this lesson, I will show you how to create the initial schema of our database. So I'm going to go to SQL, and the first thing we'll need is to create this extension here, CI text. And the reason we need CI text is so that we can have a column be case insensitive for our username column. We'll also need this extension here, uuid-ossp, and that is for the uuid data type, which we'll be using for our primary keys. Now I'm going to create the first table here, users, and we'll need an ID for the primary key. It'll be of uuid data type, and then the default will be uuid generate v4 primary key, and we'll also need a username, which will be a CI text, unique, not null. We'll have a password field created at timestamp, default now, updated at timestamp, default now. Okay, and then we'll also create a table for the notes. And we'll need the primary key, and we'll need a parent ID so that it can reference its parent node. And it's referencing the ID field on the note table. So this is a foreign key to the same table. Then we'll have a user ID, and we'll also need a title and the content, and we'll need a boolean here, is published. And the timestamps. Alright, so we have our initial schema here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Run All, and all the queries have run successfully. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to hit Control R to refresh this UI here. So now you can see the notes table has been created. And if I go here, I can see the structure of the table. And then same with the users table here. Okay, and so we've created the initial schema, and I will see you in the next video.